The other really nice thing about having a drone is I don't have to wait for the field to dry out to put a ground rig in there. Right now, with a ground rig, if they get done irrigating, I have to wait for about a week before I can put a ground rig in there and go spray. A lot of times our herbicide timing is critical, like I have to hit the right growth stage with the crop and with the weeds. If I wait too long for the crop to get to the stage I need, then the weeds are too big. And the same thing goes with irrigation. If I'm waiting for the ground to dry out, all of a sudden the barley gets to flag leaf and I can't spray it. Or the dry beans start to flower and I can't spray it. With a drone, they shut the water off. We can be on it the next day with a drone applying that herbicide when we have the right timing for the crop and for the weeds.